Are you struggling to get abs with just crunches? Girl, same. That's why I'm going to show you my favorite Pilates moves of all time that will get you flat abs and a tiny waist in no time. So, are you ready for some ab burn? Then get on a mat and let's get started. So lie down on your mat, your feet are together, your arms are out to the sides. And now just tip your legs towards me and back. This is gonna warm up your core for some really nice ab work later. Let's do just a few of these. Now get your legs on tabletop, one after the other. Legs are together, and let's do the same move. Come towards me, inhale, exhale, center, move away from me, and back to center. Towards me, back to center, away from me, and back to center. Keep your feet pointed, push your hands into the ground, bring your hands behind your head and come up. Let your hand rest in your hands like in a hammock. Pubic bone to belly button. Lower one leg, touch, come up. Lower the other leg and come up. And tip, and tip, and tip, and tip. We're going to do a few more. Look towards your legs. Belly button to the spine. You should feel it in your lower abs. Now put one leg down, turn to the other leg, hold, and pulse towards the leg. That's gonna work your obliques. Look past your leg. Center. Now lower the other leg. Turn towards the tabletop leg and pulse up. Center. Grab your legs and come up. So grab your shins, come into a C curve, and inhale, roll down, and come up. Inhale, roll down, and up. Don't go past your shoulders. So don't go on your head. This is so much fun. Come onto your side. Your legs are long, your hips are stacked, your elbow is below your shoulder, and the other arm is in front of you. So push yourself up from the shoulder, don't hang like this. And now get your leg onto hip height and kick to the front with a flexed foot 2 times and to the back with a pointed foot. Try to keep the balance. We're going to do this for several times. Keep your core engaged. Don't sink into your shoulder. Let's change sides. And push yourself out from the elbow. Get your leg up and kick to the front and back. Front and back. Front and back. And front and back. Push yourself out from your elbow. Don't forget about working your obliques. You're doing great. And one more. Now let's come into a prone position. Elbows below your shoulders, Hands are facing up, legs are together and up. Push your sternum to the front and your belly button to the spine. And we're gonna do 2 kicks and change. So kick, kick, change, kick, kick, change, kick, 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 kick. And let's do a few of them. This is for your back to counterbalance your abs. So you're gonna have a really nice flat stomach and no pouch. Straighten your legs and down. Now put your hands below your shoulders and push yourself up into a plank. Keep your abs engaged and pull one leg to the front and back. Front and back. Front and back. And let's continue. Shoulders away from your ears. Keep your core engaged and your hips steady. And push yourself up into an up stretch and back down and up into an up stretch, back down and up and back down and up, and come onto your stomach. Hands below your shoulders and push yourself up. Let's stretch our abs. Well done. I hope you feel the burn as much as I do. And come into a resting position. And roll up, vertebrae by vertebrae. Well done, that was beautiful work. And remember, each time that you show up, you're not just training your abs, you're building a effortless strength and carries into everything that you do. So don't forget, you're stronger than you feel today and more glowing than you realize. Thank you for joining me for this workout today, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!